Good evening. We were studying arithmetic progression. While finding the nth term of the arithmetic progression, we have taken the things, this first term is given, common difference is given, then how to find out a particular term we have studied. Now I will go one more step, that is I will give the arithmetic progression. First we have to find out what is the first term, what is common difference and which term. I take example like this. Find 17th term of following AP. AP stands for arithmetic progression. 2, 7, 12 and dash dash dash. In the previous example, the ready-made thing, that is A is given, D is given. But here we have to find out first A and D. What is A? A is nothing but first term. The first term is 2 here, that is A equal to 2. We have to find out what is common difference, that is A2 minus A1 equal to common difference, that is D. The term and minus a preceding term, that is nothing but D. Now D equal to 5 here. Now which term we have to find out? We have to find out A17 equal to question mark. Right? Again you take the formula. What is formula? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A17, A is how much? 2. N is 17 minus 1. D is how much? 5. That is 2 plus 17 minus 1 is 16. 16 into 5 is 80. Therefore, A17 equal to 82. So like this, if the first term is not given, I mean to say, if it is not extracted or directly given, first we have to find out what is first term, what is common difference, then the thing. Now I take another example in the similar way. The term of the following. See, that is find nth term of following. I'll take first example 5, 8, 11 dash 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 n equal to 11. That means we have to find out the 11th term of the given AP. Again write down what is first. First term is A equal to 5, D equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. Then we have to find out A11, 11th term equal to how much? Again same formula, AN, A plus N minus 1 into D. So A11 we want, A is how much? 5, 11 minus 1 into D equal to 3. Now 11 minus 1, 10, that becomes 30. Therefore, A11 equal to 35. This is how to find out the given n equal to how much, then how to find out the particular nth term of that one. Now I have taken another example. There is a difference between previous example and this example. Can you identify it? Yes, you are right. In the previous example, number of terms was given, but here they have given the last term. So our job is, we have to find out this last term is a which term. That means how many terms are there in this progression. So for that, what first we have to write down, we have to extract the things. A equal to 3, D equal to 11 minus 7, that is 4, and this is AN, that is 51. So we have to find out, first question is n equal to how much. Take here AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. In this case, we have to find out how many terms are there. So AN equal to how much? 51. A is 3. N we don't know. And D is 4. So transfer this 3 to this side. So what do you get? 48 equal to n minus 1 into 4. Cancel here. 4 ones are 4 12s are. So n minus 1 equal to 12, n equal to 13. So that means 51 is 13th term. So like this, if the last term is given, then we have to find out it is which term. Or the question may be like this also, how many terms are there in this arithmetic progression? Now I have taken one more example here, the same type. First, what is A? A means first term. Come on, what is A? Yes, you are right. A equal to 8. Then we have to find out the common difference. How much? 6. Yes, you are right. Then what I have told, 116 is what? It is the nth term. That is an equal to 116. Now again write down an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Every time you must write this formula so that it will be practiced also. Suppose in the next step if you get something wrong, you will get the marks for this. So now substitute 116. Here a is 8. 8 plus n minus 1 into d, d equal to 6. Transfer this 8 to this side. So what we get? 108 equal to n minus 1 into 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 18s are. That is n minus 1 equal to 18, n equal to 19. That means 116 is 19th term. Got it? Okay, thank you.